Hello guys, Niger Street Lawyer is back here. Today we are looking at what we call the promise to marry. A lot of you do not know that if you promise to marry somebody and you fail to marry that person, they can sue you and you pay heavily in damages. For instance, if you are dating a lady and then you go ahead to actually promise her, because there must be a promise, you must actually have promised the lady that you want to marry her, and she must have placed reliance on that promise, and then damages would have occurred. She would have suffered some sort of losses. For instance, she was supposed to, of course, marry somebody else, and she didn't because she was waiting for that. If she tells the court that she wanted to, she was supposed to marry somebody else, but because you promised to marry her, you ended up not marrying her, she could sue you and claim damages. But before she can do that, there must be a definite promise, and then she must have relied on that. Now, this can be expressed, it can be in writing, or it can be implied. For instance, there's what we call engagement. If you have engaged a lady, giving her a ring, and she can bring witnesses to say you actually give her this ring, you have engaged to marry her, then that will suffice. Or if it is signed, like I said, if it is written that you are going to marry her and eventually you fail to marry her, she can actually take you to court and sue you. Beyond engagement or beyond writing, there are other implied conducts that could be implied that you intend to marry this person. But mind you, mere relationship, romantic relationship, boyfriend and girlfriend, does not qualify for a promise to marry. There must be an actual promise that I'm going to marry you. If there's no promise to marry, you never told the lady you're going to marry her, but then you start making preparation for marriage. You tell her to start making preparation for marriage, and you start buying clothes, those pre-wedding arrangements. That suffices as a promise to marry. And if you breach that promise to marry, they can sue you. And mind you, it's not only a lady that can sue, even a guy can sue. But of course, the ego of a guy may not allow him to do that. Thank you. Like this video, share, and leave your comments in the comment section. I respond to comments. Thank you.